To get regular videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us.
The journey begins in the fields, where thousands of delicate jasmine blossoms are cultivated under perfect climatic conditions.
Only the most perfect blooms are selected, ensuring the highest concentration of natural aromatic oils.
Harvesting is a race against time, performed by hand at dawn to capture the scent before the heat of the day.
Centifolia roses are also gathered, adding a rich, honeyed depth to the fragrance palette.
Citrus notes are sourced from sun-drenched groves, providing the bright top notes of the final blend.
Every kilogram is meticulously recorded to ensure total traceability from the soil to the bottle.
Immediate refrigeration is vital to lock in the volatile aromatic compounds within the fresh petals.
Upon arrival at the extraction plant, the raw materials are immediately moved into a controlled environment.
Quality control is paramount. Only the most pristine batches are cleared for the extraction process.
The flowers are loaded into specialized vats, ready to undergo the age-old process of steam distillation. Pressurized steam passes through the petals, capturing the volatile essence in a vaporous cloud. As the vapor cools, it returns to a liquid state, beginning the separation of water and oil. The precious essential oil naturally separates, floating atop the floral water for collection.
This concentrated essence is the soul of the rose, captured in its purest liquid form. Delicate flowers like jasmine undergo solvent extraction to create a thick, fragrant wax known as concrete.
By evaporating the solvent, we are left with the concrete, a solid concentration of floral waxes and oils.
The concrete is then washed in alcohol to separate the fragrant oils from the plant waxes.
Extreme chilling causes the remaining waxes to solidify, allowing us to filter them out entirely. This final filtration produces the absolute, the most potent and refined form of the fragrance.
For citrus, we use cold pressing, a mechanical method that preserves the bright, zesty freshness of the fruit.
Centrifugation ensures the citrus oils are crystal clear and free from any organic sediment.
Modern CO2 extraction allows us to capture the scent of spices and woods with unparalleled accuracy.
We also synthesize unique aroma molecules, pushing the boundaries of olfactory art and sustainability.
Every ingredient is fingerprinted using gas chromatography to verify its purity and chemical composition.
Technical data is secondary to the human nose. Our master perfumers must personally approve every batch.
Creation begins at the perfumer's organ, a library of scents where new olfactory stories are written.
Formulas are balanced with mathematical precision, ensuring the perfect harmony of top, heart, and base notes.
Robotic compounding systems ensure that every batch is identical to the master formula, down to the milligram.
Individual ingredients are blended to create the juice, the raw concentrate of the fragrance.
The concentrate is then diluted with high-purity perfumer's alcohol to achieve the desired concentration.
Homogenization ensures that the fragrance and alcohol are perfectly bonded for a consistent scent profile.
The perfume now enters the maturation phase, where it rests in total darkness for several weeks.
This resting period allows the chemical bonds to strengthen, rounding out any sharp edges in the fragrance.
Only after the perfumer confirms the scent has reached its peak maturity is the batch released for bottling.
A final cold filtration removes any remaining microparticles, ensuring the liquid remains crystal clear forever.
Now perfected, the fragrance is ready to be encased in its glass home on the high-speed bottling line. High-clarity glass bottles arrive at the assembly line, ready to undergo a rigorous cleaning and inspection process. Each bottle is inverted and blasted with ionized air to ensure an absolutely sterile interior. Advanced laser scanners inspect every millimeter of glass, rejecting any vessel with the slightest imperfection. With clockwork precision, the bottles are funneled into the heart of the filling station. Vacuum-sealed nozzles fill the bottles to the exact milliliter, preventing any oxidation or waste. An airtight crimping process secures the pump, ensuring the fragrance remains sealed and leak-proof.
Randomized testing ensures the atomizer produces the perfect, consistent mist every single time.
Luxury finishing begins with the placement of the decorative collar, hiding the mechanical seal. Weighted magnetic caps are applied, providing a tactile sense of luxury and a secure closure.
Every bottle is buffed and polished to remove any traces of the manufacturing process.
Invisible to the casual eye, a unique batch code is applied for global quality tracking. Textured, embossed labels are applied with microscopic accuracy, defining the product's identity.
Computer vision systems verify that every label is perfectly centered and level.
The packaging process begins as luxury cardstock is transformed into the protective outer box.
A custom-fitted inner cradle is added to provide shock absorption and a premium presentation.
The finished fragrance is carefully placed into its cradle, ready for its final sealing. The lid is closed and tucked, finalizing the structural integrity of the packaging. A tamper-evident holographic seal is applied to guarantee the product's authenticity.
Crystal clear cellophane is wrapped around the box, providing a final layer of protection.
Precision heat sealing creates a seamless, airtight barrier around the luxury packaging.
An integrated tear tape is added, ensuring a smooth and effortless opening experience for the consumer. Dynamic scales verify the weight of every finished unit to ensure no components are missing.
X-ray technology inspects the internal contents, ensuring absolute safety and purity inside the sealed bottle.
Individual units are now grouped into sets, beginning the transition to bulk logistics.
Individual units are packed into heavy-duty shipping cartons for maximum protection during transit.
Automated sealers close the cartons, creating a secure package for global distribution.
Heavy-duty robotics handle the final palletizing, stacking the product with perfect geometric stability.
A high-tension stretch wrap secures the entire load, ready for the rigors of long-distance transport.
The pallets are moved to a climate-controlled warehouse, where the temperature is kept at a constant 18 degrees Celsius.
Vertical storage systems maximize efficiency, housing thousands of units in a footprint of just a few meters.
Every pallet is digitally tracked in real time, allowing for instant inventory updates across the globe.
As orders come in, automated systems retrieve the product with lightning speed and zero human intervention.
The products are loaded into secure containers, destined for luxury boutiques across every continent.
Sealed and secured, the shipment is now ready for its journey across the ocean.
From the factory to the port, the fragrance begins its global voyage, connecting the lab to the world.
Arriving at local hubs, the batch is divided and dispatched to high-end retail locations.
The final destination is the luxury boutique, where the process of creation meets the moment of discovery.
The final stage of the industrial journey is the introduction of the scent to the world. In the lab, we subject every batch to extreme conditions to guarantee color and scent stability.
High-temperature incubation ensures that the chemical bonds remain harmonious in any climate. Consumer safety is non-negotiable, with every formula verified against strict international standards.
Sustainability is integrated into our workflow, with all rejected glass recycled into new containers.
Our closed-loop system recovers 99% of solvents, minimizing our environmental footprint.
Industrial hygiene is maintained around the clock by autonomous cleaning systems.
From the factory gates, we track every bottle's journey to its final destination across the globe.
Radio frequency identification allows us to verify entire shipments in a matter of seconds.
The industrial product is transformed into a personal gift through the art of luxury wrapping.
After every batch, our tanks undergo an automated clean-in-place cycle to maintain absolute purity.
We test the structural limits of our packaging to ensure it withstands the pressures of air travel.
Our on-site treatment facility ensures that every drop of water returned to the environment is pure. Powered by the sun, our facility operates with a commitment to a carbon-neutral future.
A digital twin of the entire facility allows us to predict maintenance needs before they occur.
Our labels are works of art, featuring embossed gold foil that reflects our commitment to luxury.
The industrial cycle completes its journey in the hands of the consumer.
While the world sleeps, our automated systems continue the search for the next iconic scent.
As one batch ends, the tanks are prepared for the next chapter of fragrance creation.
Precision starts with the smallest components, organized by high-frequency vibration for seamless assembly.
Safety systems are hardwired into every machine, protecting our people and our process. We bridge the gap between tradition and technology through advanced virtual training for our artisans. Every bottle is backed by a mountain of data, ensuring total accountability for every drop produced.
Our on-site research garden allows us to study rare botanicals in their living state.
Nighttime is for precision, as we calibrate our lasers to within 1/10 of a millimeter.
The factory never truly stops, as the day's creations begin their journey to the other side of the world. Even our facility is a sensory experience, designed to reflect the beauty of the products we create.
Laser engraving provides a permanent, individual identity for every bottle, thwarting counterfeiters.
The tactile experience of our packaging is as carefully engineered as the fragrance inside.
Our artisans are the heart of this machine, maintaining the highest standards until the very last second. A new day begins, continuing the cycle of excellence in the art of industrial perfumery. From the soil to the soul, this is the ultimate fusion of nature's beauty and industrial perfection.